Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about how you can use your current work skills, any other skills you might have and any hobbies you might have to create your very own online business. But before we jump into that, I'm going to address a few things regarding my YouTube channel as well as tell you about why I chose to pursue a digital lifestyle in the first place. If you're not interested in that, that's absolutely fine. There'll be a timestamp above my head so you can jump straight to the main part of the video. So this YouTube channel has been a couple of things for me. It started out as a makeup channel because I love makeup and I wanted to create videos and be creative. And then it turned into me and my boyfriend's channel where we made some silly videos, and I love all of them and I still love makeup and creating stuff with my boyfriend. However, especially after lockdown and everything that's happened in the last couple of months, I have really honed in on creating a digital lifestyle. Not only because that really interests me, not only because I love working from home or anywhere in the world, which has been my goal for many years, to be able to just have my work be my laptop, take my laptop anywhere. I can work from the beach. I mean, that literally is giving me goosies. Can you see the goosies? That's how much I want to work from the beach. But I started really honing in on this craft. I took courses, I started following the people that were achieving what I wanted to achieve. I started reading the books and really studying and completely changing my mindset and the way that I view the world and the way that I view money and how you can accumulate money and the way that I help other people. So that is why I'm changing up this channel, and these are the type of videos that I'm going to be making. I'm going to help you understand that there are different ways. The conventional jobs are not secure anymore. I think we all know that. And that's not to scare anybody, that is just the reality of the situation that we're in right now. And creating an online business isn't a myth anymore. If you told me this 5-10 years ago, I'd be like, that's a scam, isn't it? But it's not. Keep far away from your MLMs and your pyramid schemes. Far away. We take all of it, put it in the bin. You may or may not know that the vast majority of the shops on Amazon, those are independent sellers. Just like you, just like me. We can create shops on Amazon. And after going out of the house was a bit of a scary thing to do, where have people been buying their things? Off the internet. There are all these different avenues that you can take to create an online business. So if you were here for a different type of video, if you want to unsubscribe, that's absolutely fine. But I think this can help everybody. I'm going to focus on how to set up an online business, how to change your mindset into thinking that you can accomplish anything, and then working on every aspect of making your life happier, more balanced, and just wealthier in every single way. So please join me on this journey. Give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. You will not be disappointed. So the purpose for the video today is to get you thinking about how you could actually create a business of your own. So I'm going to give you a couple of examples, and then hopefully that will help you think, oh, I can use that with this skill that I have. That is my purpose of today. Right, so I have said any skill that you already have, any hobby that you have, can be turned into a digital business. Now that might sound like a big statement, but it's true. It's absolutely true. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a couple of examples on different businesses and different hobbies, completely random, and I'm going to tell you different ways you can make money off of this online. Depending on how long you've been working in the industry, obviously your experience will differ. However, as long as you are one step ahead of someone else, you can teach them something. And this is something that I will preach to the end of my days. As long as you are one step ahead of someone else, you can help them. So the first skill/job that I'm going to help you digitalize is a school teacher. Any type of teacher, can be primary, can be university, doesn't matter. For the sake of specificity, I'm going to use a children's teacher for my example. So you're a teacher and you're wanting to create an online business, but you don't know how to start. Start with what you know. If you're passionate about kids, start writing a blog about kids. Now you might think blogging is dead. Blogging is absolutely not dead, and there are so many ways you can monetize a blog. Now I'm going to give you a list of ways you can monetize your blog. I'm not going to go into detail because that would make the video way too long. However, that might be a video for the future. So in your blog, You can write content, for example, how to teach your child from home, because that's been relevant lately. Giving parents tips and hints on how to actually tutor their own children. Or maybe you are very good at calming down an upset child. Write a blog about that. Start making a list of things that you already know. Someone out there is looking for it. There are billions of searches on Google every single day. People are looking for help. So the first way that you can monetize your blog is to incorporate affiliate links. Now, affiliate links are links to products on other websites that you are basically helping them sell. So you get a percentage, a commission, for that sale. Google AdSense. So this is where Google places ads on your blog and you get paid when people click on these ads. Now, you need to have a certain amount of traffic to your site before you can qualify for AdSense, but if you keep up regular content, you will get there. Creating a subscriber list. Now, this is one of the most important things that you have to do in any online business. Get people to subscribe to you and start creating a relationship with your customers. You can then send broadcasts to your customers with updates. You've got a new blog post, you've got a new offer, little tips and tricks, so you can provide value, so they will keep coming back to your blog. So once your website is getting traction, your blog is getting a lot of readers, you might start to be offered sponsorships. Now, of course, absolutely any skill you have, any hobby you have can be turned into a blog. Knitting, painting, plumbing, stockbroker, lawyer, real estate agent, doctor, therapist, all of this can be made into a blog where you provide value and help your customers. But there are, of course, other ways of creating an online business. Let's, for example, say you are a gardener who wants to create an online business. Now, of course, you can go down the blog route, or a couple of months ago, I saw a YouTube channel that was completely and utterly for plumbing, for helping people do little things at home regarding plumbing so they didn't have to get a plumber in. And he had millions of views. Now, if you don't know, you need 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and you need 4,000 hours of watch time to get monetized on YouTube. So now you're a gardener and you want to share your knowledge. You can set up a YouTube channel and start helping people. For example, a video would say, how to grow your roses big and strong, my top 10 recommendations for gardening equipment, how to mow your lawn perfectly. I'm obviously not a gardener, but there are so much content that you can create from your knowledge. So for example, if you're doing the top products that I recommend, become an affiliate with Amazon or a garden company that supplies the tools that you have and you know that they work, that you can recommend, and provide affiliate links in the description under the video, and you will get a commission from all these sales. And again, grow an email list so you can send value to your customers via email. And it doesn't have to be massive, perfectly written emails. It can be little tips and tricks on how they can do their own gardening. Throw a couple of affiliate links in there and you might get some sales as well. So you have to be really passionate about what you're trying to sell to people. You need to provide value first and then sell them whatever it is that you're trying to sell them. This is so important. If you're focusing on just earning money, it isn't going to work. You need to provide the value, a solution to the problem that they're having, and then the money will just come. Don't focus on the money, focus on providing value. So what I'm really passionate about and why I have done a completely 180 in my life is helping people achieve what I have achieved and achieve more than I have achieved. I want people to realize there's a different way. Before I started my online journey, I was really depressed. I had really bad anxiety. I couldn't see into the future and see anything but the glooming now. And like I said in the beginning, I knew that pursuing a digital lifestyle was something that I really wanted. And yes, in the beginning, it was because I wanted to create an income, so the money was my focus. However, after starting my research, after changing my mindset, after listening to the people that I want to copy and to have the same results as, that all completely changed. And I found myself in a position where the passion that I now have is to try and help as many people as possible. So let me explain to you what my business is. I'm an affiliate for educational software, which basically teaches you all the ways you can make money online. Be it physical products, be it affiliate, be it blogging, be it social media. There are so many ways. There are literally endless possibilities of how you can create a new life for yourself online. And this is what I want to spread to as many people as possible. Not only have I created an online business that makes money, but my whole mindset has changed. I'm not depressed anymore. I've still got anxiety, but it's not barely as bad as it was. And I've got a positive outlook on the future. And if I can give that to someone else, that is literally all it's about. It's all it's about. I don't need to be rich. I just need to get by and make as many people feel what I've felt as possible. So if you're interested at all in checking out the educational software that I am selling, you can go down in the description below, see the link to my website where you can sign up to my emails, and you will receive some free webinars basically telling you in depth how you can create money online. If you find it's not for you, you can unsubscribe at any time, that's absolutely fine. But if it can provide you value, that will be so amazing. So hopefully you got some value out of my video today. Please do ask me any questions you might have down below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And I'm going to keep making this content. I'm going to keep trying to narrow the focus on specific things on how to create your business and how to really focus your mind and get your new life started. So that's it for this video. I really hope you did enjoy it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.